Welcome back to Travel Motorhome. Today, we are taking you through a cinematic deep dive review of a concept motorhome that redefines the future of luxury travel. This is the 2026 Ferrari Maybach Motorhome, a hyper-luxury touring machine that blends Italian performance with German craftsmanship. This is not an ordinary motorhome. It is a rolling luxury palace, combining supercar aggression, ultra-premium comfort, and intelligent engineering. In this detailed review, we will explore everything from the exterior and interior to performance, technology, and pricing, giving you a complete and immersive understanding of this masterpiece. Let's begin with the exterior. The 2026 Ferrari Maybach Motorhome carries unmistakable supercar DNA, starting with its sculpted aerodynamic panels and aggressive stance. The front fascia features ultra-slim laser LED headlights, deep air channels, high-gloss carbon fiber splitters, and a bold, panoramic cockpit window. The entire nose section resembles a futuristic sports prototype, coated in a matte metallic finish that shifts beautifully with every change in lighting. Moving to the side profile, the elongated body, smooth aero lines, and Maybach-style chrome accents give this motorhome a commanding and royal presence. The panoramic tinted windows are seamlessly integrated into the body, creating a floating glass suite effect. As your eyes travel lower, the turbine-style forged performance wheels, red center hubs, and the triple-axle rear configuration immediately demand attention. The rear design is equally dramatic, with carbon fiber exhaust housings, sculpted fins, an extended LED light bar, and a clean, aerodynamic tail structure engineered for minimal drag. Overall, the exterior feels like a Ferrari-designed studio merged a race-bred chassis with Maybach's signature luxury architecture. Stepping into the interior, the first sensation is absolute silence. The cabin is constructed using aerospace-grade sound-insulating materials. The lounge area resembles a futuristic luxury apartment, featuring soft ambient lighting, brushed aluminum elements, Italian leather seating, deep-grain wood textures, and floating interior architecture that creates a calm yet sophisticated environment. The seating arrangement follows Maybach's executive cabin philosophy: wide reclining seats with extendable footrests, massage functions, and temperature-adaptive cushioning. The panoramic windows flood the lounge with natural light, giving every surface a premium glow. A digital smart wall displays infotainment, climate settings, cabin controls, and panoramic camera feeds. Storage follows a clean, minimalistic design, with flush-mounted cabinets that silently glide open and aligned with carbon fiber detailing. The kitchenette continues the luxury theme, with an integrated induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, chrome fixtures, and retractable countertops. Under-cabinet LED lighting gives the workspace a studio-grade finish. The master bedroom resembles a Maybach luxury suite, offering a king-size adaptive mattress, dual-zone lighting, floating sideboards, soft shadow wall paneling, and a large interactive display for entertainment and vehicle data. The room feels warm, private, and exceptionally premium. The washroom is no less impressive, designed like a five-star hotel bathroom. It includes a full-size rainfall shower, stone-finished surfaces, chrome hardware, digital water temperature controls, an anti-fog smart mirror, and soft indirect lighting that creates a spa-like environment. Across the entire interior, you can clearly see Ferrari's futuristic athletic geometry blended seamlessly with Maybach's disciplined luxury design language. Now let's talk about performance, an area where Ferrari's reputation speaks for itself. The 2026 Ferrari Maybach Motorhome is powered by a hybrid twin-turbo V8 engine paired with an electric assist system, delivering massive torque and an estimated 850 to 900 horsepower. These are extraordinary numbers for a motorhome. The hybrid system allows silent low-speed driving and extended long-range efficiency. A high-performance chassis, adaptive air suspension, torque vectoring stability control, and advanced aerodynamic engineering make the motorhome exceptionally stable and smooth at highway speeds. Steering feedback is surprisingly precise, braking is powerful, and handling remains controlled even at higher cruising speeds. Ferrari's dynamic control software ensures effortless driving, while Maybach's luxury engineering guarantees a comfortable, cushioned, and stable ride. The safety and technology systems are next generation. 360-degree LiDAR monitoring, predictive collision avoidance, highway autopilot mode, smart route energy management, biometric cabin entry, immersive AR navigation, and full self-leveling parking assist. The entire motorhome is smart home compatible, allowing you to control seating, lighting, climate, refrigerator functions, blinds, and entertainment systems directly from your smartphone. Finally, let's talk pricing. The 2026 Ferrari Maybach Motorhome is expected to be a limited edition model, priced between $1.9 million and $2.4 million, depending on configuration. Custom interior packages and bespoke options can increase the price even further. This is a lifestyle machine, combining extreme comfort, high performance, and unmatched prestige. If you want a travel experience that merges supercar excitement with ultra-luxury living, this motorhome stands as one of the most remarkable options ever created.